Tita Fanny, Lola
Lola
Fanny.
Kung may gusto kang i-edit out sa buhay mo, Mama, ano daw yon at bakit?
Wala na.
Wala na.
Wala kasi, di.
Na-edit
Pag
out
in-edit ko,
na.
edited ka rin.
Ay! Wag. Haga mo yan.
O hindi. Lahat ng minahal ko talaga.
Yes! Ay, ang sarap naman pakinggan nun, Ma.
Oo. So, hindi naman ako magiging, every relationship has taught me a lesson. I just wish I'd waited a little longer. Like you're enjoying, your life to the fullest before you settle down. That's what I should have done too. But I was so ready to just be a wife to
Grabe.
your father.
Every relationship, you taught you a lesson.
Yes, but
Can I ask what you learned from each one? Oh, each one? O yung mga alam lang nila. Oh, Tito Richard. Tito Bong. What did you learn from him? Short lang.
Marami. Matagal kong minahal yun. Napakatagal.
All the men she's loved
Oo.
before.
No, she's the one I love the longest.
Wow. Ay, love the longest.
The longest.
What's one
No,
thing
kasi
he
he's
taught
a very
you?
gentle person. And I just have very nice memories of our relationship. But that really taught me how to be, you have to accept someone for what he is. Because I entered into that relationship with my eyes wide open. I wasn't blinded by love like I was because I was young when Papa and I got married.
Okay,
But I loved your Papa.
Yes, what did you learn from Tito Robin Padilla?
Si Robin, kung love at love lang, wala kaming problema nun. Pero, ang problema lang, napaka-loving niya, lahat nila love niya.
So what did you learn from that?
That it's not all love. But from Richard and Robin, it's not all love. You
What?
really do have to have the same values. You need to be going in the same direction.
Yes.
And so the difference is, can I be, you want me to be really open and
No,
ganyan?
it's up to you.
No, it's fine with me, but I'm
Okay, yeah.
No, because with Papa, when we separated, there was a lot of pain and a lot of hatred on my part.
But
With
what did you
Richard
learn?
and Robin, we left when there was still so much sana to share.
Okay lang ako yung taga-balanse ninyo.
Oo, lagi naman.
So, okay na-bring up na rin si Papa. What did you learn from your relationship with Papa nung wala pa ako? Kunyari, wala ako. Kunyari lang wala ako.
No, kami
What
naman.
is the one thing he would have or he taught you as, man and woman?
Papa was
Ito,
very
natutunan ako.
gentle when he wanted to be. We were like a fairy tale. He was my Prince Charming talaga. Was. Yun.
What did you learn? Oh, the pinaka...
Kung alam ko lang ganyan itsura ng mga anak namin, lalaki.
Wow,
Sana
naman.
bago ko siya hiniwala yan, mga 5.
Baka kunyari ang wala ako.
Joke.
Partners.
When it was good, it was really good. It became hard kasi love team kayo, pero meron kayong mga problemang di naman alam ng fans nyo. Iba syempre yung tunay na buhay. Puro maganda yung nakikita sa screen.
Siguro he was the one who made it clear how to separate private and
Oh
professional.
no, I learned the painful way.
Oh, okay.
I think if we had waited a little longer. Saka yung case, just when you think, sometimes you think you found someone who's your soulmate, don't jump into a commitment, especially a commitment like marriage right away. Because life really sometimes, it surprises you with so much. And the most unfortunate thing that can happen to a person is to meet someone later in life when they're already tied down to someone else and realize that ito pala yung talagang soulmate mo.
Oo. Okay, number 2, mama ni, Tita Fanny. Maring siya. Basahin mo pa. Tingnan mo marinig mo yung boses niya. I'm so happy. Sige.
Oh. Kunyari si Tita Fanny ako, maring siya. I'm so happy every time I read your message of how many pounds nang nawawala na sa'yo. Super excited talaga ako. Pero Mare, tanong ko lang kung ilang pa ang gusto mo mawala sa'yo.
Ilan pa ang gusto mo
Natimbang.
mawalan?
At kailan ka naman makikita na nakatubig?
Okay.
Go!
Naku,
Go, mega tin-tin.
Tin-tin. So, ilang pounds pa do you want to lose according Tita Fanny?
According to my professional weigh-in yesterday, I lost 17.5 pounds.
That's no joke. No joke.
I need to lose at least another 20 more. But you know me, when I hit 20, I'll lose another 10.
Yes. Mas na-encourage ka.
Oo, gusto ko lang abutin yung part na, my God, Sharon, kumain ka na, please.
Oo.
Yun.
Kailan ka naman daw makikitang naka-two-piece, ma'am?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay,
Tomorrow, 1, 2.
two-piece. Okay, ito from Tita Olive Isidro, who is your
My vocal coach, backup singer, since you were 1.
Okay, ang tanong niya, Ma, okay lang ba sa'yo kung lumipat na ako ng sarili kong unit? Mamimiss mo ba daw ako, Ma?
Yung unit, hindi ka tayo miss, sasama ako sa'yo.
Hindi ka na joke.
Iiwan mo yung apo ko. Iwan mo ang aso.
Ma, may blessing yun mo, di ba?
May blessing, sumama ako doon. Pero iwanan mo si Popo, please.
Ma, hindi ko talaga kayang
Please, anak, lumaki na sa
Yung
akin
chow-chow ko,
yun.
Ma, love of my life.
Hindi, love niya ako, anak eh.
Mamamatay ako kung wala
Di
yun.
ba pag pumasok sa kwarto, sa akin pumupunta, hindi
Ma.
sa'yo.
Rename ko siya na maging ganang sa lola niya.
Marespeto.
Yes.
Sige na,
can't
anak.
live without
Kasi kondo, sinong kalaro niya? Doon sa bahay ko, may bahay
Ako.
sila.
Magbibisita siya. Promise. Kaming dalawa. Kasama na si Chanel, yung aso. Hindi ko talaga kaya pakawalan yung dalawa kong pets.
Hindi, si Popo akin. Akala ni Popo, anak ko siya.
Pag-uusapan natin sa bahay.
Mamanahan ko si Popo.
Okay. Ang ganda ng watch mo. Okay, Ma.
Oo.
Ito na
Pagamitin mo muna sa akin.
From Ate Juday. Next question. Last but not the least. Ito na naman sa akin. So, pabait ng friends mo, Ma. Kailan mo ba ibibigay sa akin ang bahay mo sa wako? Pero actually, mas type ko yung bahay sa Alabang. Ang liit mo. Oo, yung ginagamit mo sa studio.
Sa Sharon at home, yung bago ko pong show sa Lifestyle Network.
Or beach. Ang dami.
Ang demanding eh.
Diba sabi ko,
Pag
Ma,
dito, Ma, gusto ko ng island.
hindi naman.
Dilanguin mo.
Sabi ko, Ma, I don't care kung ano man ang investments mo dito sa Metro Manila. Marami kaming magkakapatid. Ibigay mo sa kanila. Kung meron ka mang iiwan sa akin, Ma, yung sa beach, please. Kahit gaano kaliit
Meron ka na,
yan.
nauna ka sa
Huwag
akin.
kang maingay. Secret natin. Medyo.
Hindi, malaki lang yung akin kasi
Oo.
hati-hatiin ko
Maliit lang yun, Ma. Okay lang kahit maliit. Basta yung mga sa beach.
Sige.
Thank
Mabuting
you,
anak,
Ate Juday.
malaking lupa.
Ano?
Mabuting anak, magandang bag.
Pakihanda na ang lechon.
Nakajeta, masamang anak, masamang anak. Mali, mali.
Oo, vegetarian ako. Okay, Mama. Ay, parang gusto kong ipagpatuloy itong
Bakit
conversation.
hindi?
Sa
Pwede naman buong linggo. Ako
Pwede naman. So, on that note, more mega bonding kasama ang mama ko when we return. Mama, one word descriptions ko of you. You are my number one lady guard. Lady guard because in your own feminine way as a woman, you have been able to stand strong and to really raise a child the way that a father should raise a child, and you became both father and mother to me. But in your own feminine way, hindi nawala ang femininity mo. That's one thing that I really admire. You're strong, stern, at the same time, you have a true heart of a woman. So thank you for being my protector
Of
and my
course,
mother.
yes, of course.
So ikaw ang lady guard. Ha?
Thank you.
Okay. Next, you are my love. Because bukod pa sa nung mga Valentine's days,
I used to be your Valentine.
Oh, yes. You were my first Valentine.
You were mine too.
Oh. Moment.
But your birthday was Tito Richard's birthday.
Eksaktong
We
birthday.
had 2 parties.
So you are my love because I love you as a mother. I love you as now a friend and a sister. And I love you as my protector as well. And my what do you call it? My idol. Hindi naman idol, pero somebody that I truly respect and admire and have learned from without you knowing it siguro rin for some things. And last but not the least, Mama, you are my sugar high. Sugar high. Again, may mas malalim na
nakakatuwa
meaning.
yan.
Ang sugar high kasi, Ma, ano yan bursts of happiness, di ba?
Ah, yes.
And si Mama kasi ganon. Talagang consistently naman siya happy person, pero may mga moments talaga na talagang mapapagulong ka talaga sa sahig. Dahil literal.
Sumisigaw siya, Mama, tama, lapit!
And there are times, may moments din whenever we talk on the phone. Pag may burst of parang communication between us, gumaganda talaga yung araw ko. I can conquer anything. You are my Lady Guard love and sugar high. My mama dearest. I love you very much.
You're all that to me too.
Okay, and ito ang first time na nilang maririnig live sa ang Starlight. Starlight. Where's the
Starlight.
story behind Starlight?
Okay, I started it. I was, thinking of all the times I would leave you and later on Frankie behind kasi ganyan. Pero
Because of work.
Because of work. Pero yung totoo dyan, crush na crush ko nun si Jet Li. Ginamit ko yung crush ko para makagawa ko ng love song. Gusto ko lang ng cute na kanta pang bata.
Oo, at pati yung arrangement niya, Mama, super, super cute.
Tito
So,
Cesar Aguas.
actually, I know that gusto mo ibigay na gift yon for the viewers of
Yes.
City KC. So, magandang umaga, you guys. This is Starlight, composed by my very own one.
And I did this with you, singing part of the backup before in my When I Love album.
Kasi para akong daga nung bata ako.
Sama lang nasa